After installation first launch. If error appears, log in as SA and configure OpenAccess. Step 1. You can easily resolve this by login as SA with default password. Step 2. Launch System Options, from Administration menu. Step 3. Select General System Options and make sure Linkage Server Host and Message Broker Host and Open Access Host machine names have correct name. To make any changes, click Modify, and after changes click OK, then close. Step 4. Select RabbitMQ tab and make sure Test Connection work fine by select Modify and then hit Test Connection. Step 5. Make sure following services are running: LS Open Access, LS Message Broker, and LS Web Service. Now if you log in back again, you won't receive open access error.